So we're decorating for Christmas. Owen P's first Christmas. And Owen's helping Daddy. Oh! Hold on, Mr. P. Hi. Hi. Hi, Owen. Do you like to dance with Daddy?
Got a little monkey up there, I think. Who's the little monkey? Who's that little monkey up there? I see him up there. Who's that little monkey? Is Daddy's little monkey? Daddy's little monkey? Who's that little monkey, man? Did I lose you? Oh, there he is.
There he is. How was that? What was that? What are you doing up there? You're getting pretty good sitting up.
Oh, here we go.
Oh. Do you like the wreath? Show him the wreath, Dad. Oh, you like Mommy? You like Mommy? What's that? Oh, wow. What's that? That's pretty nice. Oh, wow. Hi. Oh, here's a good one. Oh no, it's snow. Mini-me, you look just like your father, Owen P. Except the mustache. Is there a picture of Owen?
Huh?
Oh, I was just focusing in on the picture that we had framed of him.
He's getting better at holding on.
Hi. He likes it up there. No Christmas tree yet. That's next weekend. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Owen.
Bye.
Bye-bye.